In this lesson, you will learn what the SAP Statusbar module is and know when and how to use it. In the last lesson, we've seen how we can navigate to the sales page using the SAP menu module. Now, in this lesson, we will see how we can trace the status of a sales order after saving the sales order using the SAP Statusbar module. Every time we save a new order, we will get a new order number at the bottom of the screen. This module is used to verify the status message and status type in the status bar. Let's have a closer look at this module. By now, you know that this SAP module is located with all the other SAP modules in the standard module folders. You can see the three module attributes: message, message type, and session info. Message is used to verify the text of the status bar message. Message type is used to verify the type of the status bar message. This could be success, warning, error, abort, or information. Session info displays the information on the current session that you want to verify. That would be, for example, system, client, and user. In our example, we will use the first two module attributes. Let's take a look at our sales order process in SAP to see how we get this message to appear in the status bar and what it looks like. Once you have navigated to the sales page, you will see the Create Standard Order header data page. On this page, we have to adjust the date to be some date in the future and save the sales order. Once we save the sales order, an order number will be generated, and we will then get the confirmation that the order has been saved, along with the order number on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Every time we save a new order, we will get a new order number, so we need to keep this in mind during automation. Since scanning the order confirmation would be a repetitive task, we will use the SAP Statusbar module to reduce our efforts and time. Let's go back to Tosca and automate the whole process, such as save and verify the sales order using the SAP Statusbar standard module. On the sales page, we make changes to the date, enter a date in the future, and save the process using the SAP Toolbar module. Once the sales order is saved, a success message is generated on the SAP GUI status bar. We use the standard module SAP Statusbar to verify this message. Let's run these steps in the Scratchbook. Perfect. The verification of the status bar was successful.